everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Philine. If you are new to my channel, welcome to my channel. So today's video is gonna be unboxing this little very cutie pie box. Cutie pie. This small box contains, of course, the small things. Well, before that, it's always good to know when to shop, where to shop, and how to shop, because shopping is an art. Yes. Okay, without further ado, dun, 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 dun. It feels like I am so in a hurry. So this is okay. One, two, ta-da! As you can see, it's Coach. Okay, hang on. Another one. So actually, this is my first little small. It is not only small, it is a mini haul on Coach SLG, meaning small leather goods. Yay! So since they are on sale, so I have this it here. Okay, so let's start this one. I'm kind of lost. I am kind of lost today. I don't know why. As you can see, my face is so refreshing. I've been doing a lot of things today, but anyhow. But I'm excited. Wow, they really wrapped it pretty good. And hang on. I forgot how they fold it. Voila! So it's a pouch, very cute pouch. It looks like pebbled or leather. It's really nice. So there's very spacious. So I believe my cell phone probably will fit in here. I really love having a pouch, so where I can put some of my stuff in here, lipstick or whatnot. Yeah, it's really cute, really nice. And the second one, they really are wrapping it pretty good. And this is VS Azure. So this is a long wallet. There you go. So a Coach long wallet. Oh, there you go. It's a continental wallet. And look at that. There's card slots there. And of course, this zipper in the middle and another card slots on the other side. So actually 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12 card slots, and on the side is also a empty slot, of course, and they have it also here. So 1, 2, 3, zipper here. Okay, there. This is how to care for leather. Oh my god, guys, I'm so sorry. I'm kind of feeling low butt today. So there you go. It's really nice. This one is already sold. So, and then there is at the back, you can put any receipts here or card or whatever you want to put in here. I just really like this really pastel color leather from Coach. And the other one that I unboxed already is this one. So I ordered them together, but this one came first. So I did the unboxing already for this one, but I haven't uploaded. So this all together, I will post the, you can see my unboxing there, but I think I don't need to do that. So I will just going to show you. So this one have also a card slot, a little pocket. Don't mind about my dry skin. So this is a wristlet. There you go. So there. So yeah. So this one, this is really very nice. It's very soft. I really like it. So you know, when you just do your errands and you just take this and boom. Oops. Okay guys, so I bought this like a mini haul of SLG. I bought a three, how do I do it, 3 small leather goods from Coach. Yay! So thank you so much for watching, but don't ask me about this. This is already sold, and you can ask me about this one. I probably will just resell them all, but who knows, right? So yeah, so this is really a good sale, and I really like it. It's pretty nice. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if this is the type of content that you're looking forward to watch. And by the way, I do hauls and some shopping and some reviews, and I also sell products like this jewelry, and I also make jewelry, but this is brand new. I resell also jewelries, and as you can see, yes, and I have my Mercari shop. If you want to check it out, I have a lot of things for you there in my shop. And if you want to follow me in my Facebook page, same as my YouTube channel, Finding Good Tools and Reviews. And thank you so much for being here, and I'll see you soon. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.